Welcome to this comprehensive pharmacology lecture on levocetirizine 5 mg tablet. Levocetirizine is one of the most frequently prescribed second-generation antihistamines in allergic disorders. In this video, we will cover everything from basic pharmacology to clinical use, safety, interactions, special populations, and exam-oriented points. Generic and brand names. Levocetirizine is the R-enantiomer of cetirizine. It is marketed under several brand names such as Xyzal, LCZ, Levocet, Vozet, and Texine. Despite different brand names, the pharmacological action remains identical. Drug classification. Levocetirizine belongs to the second generation of H1 antihistamines. These drugs are designed to act selectively on peripheral H1 receptors while having minimal central nervous system penetration, resulting in less sedation. Dosage forms available. The tablet form containing 5 mg is commonly used in adults and adolescents. Syrup and drops are available for pediatric dosing. Route of administration. Levocetirizine is administered orally and shows good gastrointestinal absorption. Dose. The recommended adult dose is 5 mg once daily, preferably taken at night. Because levocetirizine is eliminated primarily via the kidneys, dose reduction is necessary in renal impairment. Mechanism of action. Levocetirizine selectively blocks H1 receptors, thereby inhibiting histamine-mediated allergic responses such as vasodilation, increased vascular permeability, itching, and mucus secretion. Pharmacological effects. By blocking histamine action, levocetirizine effectively relieves allergic symptoms with minimal sedation compared to first-generation antihistamines. Pharmacokinetics, ADME. Levocetirizine is rapidly absorbed after oral administration. It has limited hepatic metabolism and is excreted largely unchanged in urine, which explains the need for dose adjustment in renal disease. Indications. Clinically, levocetirizine is indicated in allergic rhinitis, chronic idiopathic urticaria, and other histamine-mediated allergic conditions. Side effects. Levocetirizine is well tolerated. Mild drowsiness, dry mouth, or headache may occur, but serious adverse reactions are rare. Contraindications. The drug is contraindicated in patients with severe renal failure and in those with known hypersensitivity to cetirizine or levocetirizine. Precautions. Although sedation is minimal, caution is advised in elderly patients and those operating machinery. Alcohol can enhance sedative effects. Drug-drug interactions. Levocetirizine has minimal drug interactions, but CNS depressants and alcohol may increase sedation. Drug-food interaction. There are no clinically significant food interactions, allowing flexible administration. Use in special populations. Levocetirizine is relatively safe in pregnancy but should be used only if necessary. Caution is advised during lactation and in elderly patients. Overdose. Overdose may cause excessive sedation in adults and agitation in children. Treatment is mainly supportive. Monitoring parameters. No routine laboratory monitoring is needed, except renal function assessment in prolonged use or renal disease. Comparison with cetirizine. Levocetirizine is more potent and causes less sedation compared to cetirizine, as it contains only the active enantiomer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth pharmacology lectures.